Go to Elementor page or posts. Search Events widget. Drag Events widget on page. Now you can see template is rendered. In this section you can learn how to filter events by category, tags, venue, organizer, show specific date, range events, etc. If you want to show events between two date range, then choose Start, End Date. Select Past, Upcoming, both Past and Upcoming, settings from Show Event Settings. If you want to show only featured, non-featured, or both types of events, then choose it from Event Type. Select ASC or DESC Order option from the Event Order settings. If you want show specific category events, then choose it from Category option. By default it displays all events. Now you can see Select category event is displaying. If you want show specific tag events, then choose it from Tag setting. Next settings is Filter Events by Organizer. If you want show specific organizer events, then choose it from Organizer option. Next setting is Filter Events by Venue. If you want show specific venue events, then choose it from Venue option.